I'll be showing you some of the best apps for your Shopify store, covering a wide range of categories. For each of these apps, we take a look at what they do, their features, pricing, and reviews, so you can decide if you want to add it to your store. So let's dive right into our first app here, AfterSell Post-Purchase Upsell. The reason why you want to have an app like this on your store is that it's going to help increase the average order value with post-purchase offers. And boosting the AOV of your store is one of the key ways to increase profitability. So the way this app works is it's going to have one-click post-purchase upsells. So it's a seamless buying experience, and it's going to be after a customer has already purchased something, they're going to get an additional offer. This is a great time to sell them something, as they've already gone through the process of deciding whether to purchase from you, and they've already committed to that. You can also create optimized thank you pages, letting you customize your thank you pages with reviews, FAQs, and additional offers to build stronger relationships as well as generate more revenue. You can also edit your checkout to add native widgets to help boost the AOV and conversion rate, such as adding you're only X amount away from free shipping, so you should add this product to your cart. Also things like there's a limited time offer, so make sure you check out soon. You can also optimize your offers based on data using comprehensive conversion and session insights. It's also going to let you run A/B tests to find out what's the best winning offer. It's going to give you precise targeting in a rules engine. You're going to get 15 plus triggers, help you show the right offer at the right time. In terms of pricing, it's free for development stores, and it's going to start at $34.99 per month for up to 500 orders, and it goes up in price depending on the number of total orders that your store has. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 700 plus 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for its easy to use interface, effective post-purchase upsell features, and potential for significant revenue increases. Next up is an app that's going to allow you to create 5-star customer experiences, one conversation at a time. It's called Gorgias, and it lets you centralize all your customer interactions into one feed, so you can understand the full customer journey and automate repetitive tasks to spend more time where it counts. You can increase conversion rates by turning visitors into shoppers, and you can engage customers at every touch point. So it's going to be omni-channel, so you can unify email, chat, voice, TikTok, Instagram, and more into one inbox. And it's going to let you manage orders as well, from editing, refunding, duplicating, and canceling orders in the app directly. It's also going to have an AI-powered ticketing management system, and it's going to learn with data so your support team generates sales with revenue statistics. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $10 per month, and it's going to be 40 cents per each additional ticket, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of support agents and the number of tickets you want included per month. For example, the $60 a month plan gets you 300 tickets per month included, and it's going to be $40 more for each additional 100 tickets. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.4 stars with just shy of 600 5-star reviews. And merchants appreciate this comprehensive help desk platform for its seamless Shopify integration, user-friendly interface, and customizable features. Next up, we have an app that's going to help boost sales, and it's FOMO Sales Countdown Timer Bar. So it's the ultimate solution to ignite urgency and boost sales on your website. So for this countdown bar, you can put it anywhere on your site, from the cart page to the product page widget and more. You can display it anywhere to increase your AOV. It's not going to require any coding to set up, and you can have different high converting pre-made countdown templates. And this app is great as well because it's completely free to add to your store. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 star rating with 160 plus 5-star reviews, and merchants appreciate this app for its effective countdown timer feature, and it's free with various customization options. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have all your expenses, different revenue items, cost of goods sold, Facebook ads, and so on. So you need a place to keep track of all that in one place. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, such as the last 7 days, to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance. It syncs seamlessly with Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold providers, so you can get set up extremely quickly. It's going to have tons of analytics and metrics, so you can get a true understanding of your store. It's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for for yourself, and there's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. As mentioned, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out. Next up is going to be an email marketing and SMS tools letting you communicate with your customers, and this is going to be OmniSend email marketing and SMS. It makes it really easy to set up email marketing and newsletters. They have a drag and drop email builder. It's going to be fully customizable templates, and you can create unique discount codes. You can also include product reviews right next to email and SMS, as 75% of customers look to reviews before buying. It's going to also let you automatically collect reviews, show reviews and ratings on Google, and you can reward customer feedback. You can create eye-catching email and SMS list building tools as well, so you can collect that contact information so you can contact them at a later date. They have tools such as your regular pop-up to discount pop-ups to the spin the wheel for an extra discount. You can also create pre-built e-commerce workflows, so it's going to automate that communication sequence from welcome series to product abandonment, cart and checkout abandonment, and much more. It's also going to have a ton of details and insights that help you collect, connect, and sell more. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, where you can reach up to 250 contacts, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of contacts reached. To note, you can have an unlimited list size. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 5,000 plus 5-star reviews, and merchants value its customizable templates, A/B testing, and automation capabilities. It also has 24/7 live chat support, and it's praised for its efficiency. Next up is a product review app, so you can collect and display product reviews so you can build trust and boost sales with social proof. This is an extremely popular Shopify app that lets you collect reviews on autopilot, display them on your site in different ways. You can also include photo and video reviews. It has a very generous free forever plan where you get unlimited review requests for photos and videos. And for the paid plan, it's $15 a month, where you get more features such as Q&A, custom forms, coupons, and more. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5-star with 29,000 5-star reviews, and merchants appreciate the automatic review request emails and social media integration, which boost customer engagement and product visibility. Lastly, we have an app here that's going to make Google Shopping integration a much easier process. So you can sell on Google Shopping, which is an extremely popular way to generate additional sales. So you can submit feeds as well for Microsoft, Facebook, and Pinterest. And it's going to take a lot of that manual work out of the way. It's going to have robust filtering options to drill down a list of products. You can resolve any item level issues, and you can automate the assignment of values for multiple attributes. And this is all something you would have to do manually or in a spreadsheet. And so this app is going to make things much easier. So this product is really just going to let you sell in more places, whether that's Google, Facebook Shop, checkout on Facebook, Facebook's dynamic product feed, Instagram Shop, and much more. In terms of pricing, it's going to be based on the number of products, starting at $4.99 for 500 products, and 5,000 to 10,000 products is $18 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 6,000 5-star reviews, and merchants appreciate this app for its easy setup, diverse functionality, and effective management of Google Shopping feeds with integration with platforms such as Facebook and Pinterest. So this is going to conclude the video here on the best apps for your Shopify store, covering a range of different categories here. Let me know in the comments if you plan to use any of these apps. If you got any value from this, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.